Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Finnish Defense Forces order locally made FPV first-person view drones from Insta under agreement worth up to €14 million for army-wide conscript training. The Finnish Defense Forces have signed a multi-year agreement with Insta for domestically produced FPV first-person view drones, with a total value of up to €14 million including options. The first systems have already been delivered after completing military testing and approval. The aircraft will support large-scale flight training for conscripts across every Finnish Army brigade-level unit. FPV first-person view drones transmit live video to their operators and can carry payloads selected for specific missions. Domestic drone production strengthens security of supply and supports the operational readiness of the Finnish Defence Forces, said Juha-Matti Ilatalo, Deputy Director of the Finnish Defence Forces Logistics Command and Brigadier General, Engineer. The procurement gives Finland a domestic source for the aircraft and the technical support required to operate them. Insta currently produces 7-inch and 10-inch variants designed for Nordic operating conditions. Both are developed, tested and manufactured in Finland, while their modular architecture allows payloads and other elements to be adapted as requirements change. The agreement covers more than the supply of airframes. Insta's system combines the drones with control equipment, secure communications, situational awareness functions, training, maintenance and sustainment. The modern operating environment requires reliable, scalable solutions that can be adapted rapidly, supported by strong expertise in technology and systems development, said Ture Letteranter, Senior Vice President, Sales, Marketing and Government Relations at Insta. The development work has also drawn on international lessons learned from the evolving security environment and the use of drones on the modern battlefield. Insta's work on the program draws on its experience in unmanned aviation, secure data links and defense systems development. The company has been a strategic partner of the Finnish Defence Forces for several decades and also supplies command and control, cyber security and autonomous system technologies. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.